And so the idea is that if we can learn the AI, instead of getting replaced by it, we can be the ones that operate it. And one of the biggest paying jobs, I think, in the future, and it already kind of, there's been some news about this, but it's called prompt engineering, okay? And so this is going to be one of the biggest paying jobs that we'll see in the next 5 or 10 years, because here's the thing. Businesses are thinking about cutting costs all the time, right? Especially with the uprise and all the inflation and everything that's going on in the economy. And so they're thinking, well, if I'm paying all these employees and I can just have one AI system do what all these employees are doing manually, I'm not going to have to pay all these people, right? And so if you're already there's a chance that you've already been let go by an AI, right? Somebody might have been paying you money and then they figured out how to automate it. And so now you don't have a job. And so, but if you're the one that replaces yourself, right? If you're the one that says, okay, well, I'm not going to let AI replace me.